Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your Yubo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, to simply delete a Yubo account because of any of the reasons, if you're bored with it or you don't want to use it or you have simply got a genuine friends from this app and you're okay done with it. So I'll teach you how to do this today. So first of all, you need to have a Yubo app. As you can see on my screen, you can easily get it installed to your App Store or Play Store. After that, all you have to do is tap on it and you can see that I'm simply logged in, and this is my particular home page for a Yubo account. After this, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your own profile. It's my current profile right over here. After this, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen again. This will give you various options for settings over here. All you have to do is scroll it down to the very end, and you can see guys, just below on the bottom, just below logout, you have an option of delete accounts. Simply tap on it and type delete. So all I have to do is tap on delete on capital letters. So I'm going to tap insert delete, and after this I'm going to tap on delete just next to cancel. Okay guys, I have simply deleted my Yubo account, and you can see I'm on my very first page of the Yubo account again. So this is how you do it. This is how you delete your Yubo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.